Removing the front bumper on the MK6 Golf. You'll need to start by removing the front grille, which is held on by 4 T25 Torx screws on the top of the plastic. Now pull from the bottom of the grille. Now, you don't necessarily need to jack up the car, but I've done it to give us a little bit more room. You will, however, need to turn the wheels in, the opposite of whichever wheel arch you're working in, and do the same procedure on both sides. So you've got 2 T25 Torx screws at the bottom, one a little bit higher up. You don't need to remove the next one, and then you've got one that's pointing upwards. Now, underneath the front of the bumper, there's a screw on the corner. Then if you go towards the centre of the bumper, there are possibly 2 screws at the first location, and then 1 and 2, another 2 in the next bit, and then the other one on the other corner to remove. So, looking again from the centre of the bumper, you've got one on the run twice, possibly another 2 here, and another one on this side. Now turn your wheel the other way and remove the screws that you need to remove from this side as well. The final 2 screws are behind where the grille was, still T25. That's all with the screws removed. Pull out the sides of the bumper on both sides. Now you'll be able to lift the bumper off the front of the car. If the car was fitted with fog lights, then the cables may be holding the bumper in position, so beware of that. But otherwise, that's removed on this one. Thank you for watching. I really hope the video has made the job easier for you. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. There are plenty of other videos on the MK6 Golf and lots of other vehicles. Thanks again.